Hello, welcome to the channel. Here we go. Edexcel sample paper. Maths level 2 functional skills with a calculator. Expect this to be tricky. Right, oh, that looks hard already. Let's go up here. Right, dataset A as median value of 3.1. Here is dataset B. Write a statement to compare the median values. We've got to find the middle of these. So let's do dataset B in the right order. 38 minus 13 minus 9 minus 2, 14 and 28. So the median value is in the middle. So it's in the middle of minus 2 and minus 9. So minus 2 and minus 9 together divided by 2 is minus 11 divided by 2 is minus 5.5. Okay. Compare. Set B is lower at minus 5.5. I would think that would be okay. Let's have a look. No, not there. Okay, happy with that one. To go through these nice and slowly because I don't want to make any mistakes, because I know. Show how you check your answer. Median of set B. Gosh, how do we check our answer? See what they want us to do. They always do this in Edexcel. Get you to check. I suppose we could do minus 5.5 times 2 equals minus 11. Yeah, minus 11 equals minus 9 minus 2. Yeah, might get away with that for a point. Right, what are we doing now? Dan throws 2 fair dice. The numbers on the dice are all this. The numbers on the B dice are all this. Table shows the total scores from throwing 2 dice. Complete the table. So 2 and minus 2 is 0. 2 and minus 6 is minus 4. Minus 1 and 5 is 4. Yeah, so I think we're starting to complete this table okay. So minus 3 and 3 is 0. Minus 3 and 5 is 2. Minus 3 minus 6 is minus 9. 4 and 3 is 7. 4 and 5 are 9. 4 and minus 6 are minus 2. Minus 5 minus 7. Minus 5 minus 9. 6 and 1 is 7. 6 minus 2 is 4. And 6 and 5 is 11. Okay. What's the probability that the total score is minus 11? How many minus 11s have we got? We've got an E. We've got an E. 2B. 1 in 36. So we must have one somewhere. Maybe I missed it. Oh, there it is. There it is. So it's 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 36. Right, Dan throws 2 dice again. What's the probability that the new score is 0? Well, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 chances. So 6 out of 36. Are we going to simplify 1 over 6? Don't know whether we need to. Last year, Zach had 2 jobs. Zach worked in an office for 12 months and earned that much money. and at a gym for 39 weekends and earned £80 a weekend. What fraction of his total income last year came from work at the gym? So 39 times 80. Remember, this is a calculator paper. So 39 times 80 is 3120. What fraction of his total income? So I'm going to add 2600 to find the total income, which is that. So that's the total. And the fraction came from his work at the gym was, the gym money was 3120 over 5720. That's can we simplify this? Let's do 312 over 572. Half of that is 156 over half of that. 572 divided by 2 is 286. That's half of that. 156 divided by 2, 78. 286 divided by 2 is 143. Oof, if I got this right. Let's have a look. 2600, 312, 31200. 12 months and earned £2,600. 39 times 80 is 3120. 3120. These are most complicated too. 2600. Oh, I got ya. I got ya. You just hang on there, because that's not an annual thing, is it? That's not an annual thing, is it? So we need, his annual is 2600 times 12. So 2600 times 12, which is 31200. 31200. Right, let's try and add those up. 31200 plus 3120 is 34320. So the fraction 34200. Right, so the work at the gym was 3120 divide 34320. Yeah. So 312 over 34320. This is a nightmare, this one, isn't it? 312 divided by 2 is again 156, and 3432 divided by 2 is 1716. Let's half that again. 1716 divided by 2, 858. So we've got 858. And 156. 156 divided by 2 is 78. Keep going, divide again. So 78 divided by 2 is 39. And 858. 858 divided by 2 is 429. 429. Right. What can we divide by now? Let's do 39. Ah, lucky guess. 39 times 11 is that. So that goes down to 1 over 11. Oh, 11 times table. That would have been a monster. Right, here's a prism. The cross section of the prism is that. Draw the front elevation. There's the front. Use the scale 1 to 3. 1 to 3. So 1 to 3. So that means that 1 centimetre, we've got to divide all these by 3. Yeah. So along the bottom, I'm going to do it in the corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 along the bottom. And then that divided by 3 is 1.5. So we're going to come up 1.5. And then 15 divided by 3 is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 10.5 divided by 3. Don't know what that is. 10.5 divided by 3 is 7 over 2, which is 3.5. So I'm going to come along 3.5 there. And then I'm going to go down to there. Olga. Right. What's Olga up to? She's running around the park or something. Let's have a look, see what Olga's up to. Right, so she wants a cycle route that starts and ends at the entrance there. She goes through point C once at least, and her total length is between 50 and 20 kilometers. Right. So 15 times 0.6 and 20 times 0.6. That's going to find our total length in miles. Yeah. So 15 times 0.6 is 9. This is turning out to be tough, this one. Times 0.6 is 12. So we've got to be between 9 and 12 miles. She starts and ends at the entrance and goes through point C at least once. So, if we come along here, which is 1.75, 2.25, so that's 1.75, that'll be, so if she goes along that way, that's 4 miles is going that way to there. Right, so we want between 9 and 4. She's got to go through 4. So if we go there, 4.5 miles, 2 3/4. 4, that's 6 3/4. Yeah, and then we'll come down here, and that will be 2.75 miles. So that would give us a total of 6.75 miles. And just do another lap. It doesn't say we can't. Yeah, just do another lap. So we're going to go from the entrance to D to C to the back to the entrance, and then we just go round again to D to C back to the entrance, right? So this is going to be 6.75 miles times 2. Oh, that's going to be too big, isn't it? Oh, can't go there. Can't go there. So we can't do that. Hang on, 5, 6, 7. This might be the way. 5, 6, 7. How far is it along here? So that's 5.25. That's 0.25. And that's 0.25. So this way round is 5 going here to here to here to here. That's 5 and a quarter, 5.5, 5.75. So that's 5.75 going that way around. So we can do that twice. We can do that twice. So we're not going to go that way. That's too far. We're going to go around this lap here. We might have to go around there, I don't know. Let's see what that is. So if we start from here and go from the entrance to C, to A, to F, back to the entrance, that's a total of 5.75 miles. Right? So I had 2 laps, which is 5.75 times 2. 5.75 times 2, which is 11.5 miles. 11.5 miles. So we do that. Could have gone could have gone that way. Could have gone E, C, B, A, F, E, and then round again. Yeah. Oof. At least there were no times involved in that one. Right, what we got to... Here's a cube of 2.5. Work out the surface area. Well, one side is 2.5 times 2.5, which equals 2.5 times 2.5 equals 6.25. And there's 6 of them, so just multiply that by 6. And it's 37.5 centimeters squared. Right, Megan is a manager of a computer shop. She organises a sale with 18% off all tablets. Megan changes the price of one tablet from that to that. Has Megan changed the price correctly? So is that 18%? Is that 18% change? So percentage change. Right. Okay. So it would normally be 389 times 18%. Work out what that is. 389 times 18 divided by 100 is 70.02. 70.02. So if I do the 389 minus the 70.02, call that there. That should give us our new price there. So 389 minus 70.02 is 318.98. 318.98. I don't think she's right. Let's have a look, see what they've got to say on question 7. Everybody seems to think no. Yeah, so no. Basically, no. She's changed it by... Oh, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this one as well. 389.00 take away 330.98. 389 take away 330.98. So that's 58.02. She changed it by 58.02, and it should be 70.02. Use an estimation how you check your answer. Oh, goodness me. So the way I did it was say 400 times 20% is £80. Yeah, and then 400 minus 80 is equal to £320. Yeah, so that's what I got there, 320, and that's rubbish. 330. No, these are mad questions. A team of workers delivers identical fridges. The team would use an average time to fully load an old lorry to predict the time to fully load a new lorry. The table shows the time it took to fully load an old lorry with 24 fridges. Lots of things. The diagram shows the space available for fridges in the new lorry. The shape is a cuboid. Each fridge has a rectangular doodly-doodly-doo. The team do not stack fridges. They think it will take less than 90 minutes to fully load the new lorry. So let's work out the mean of how long it takes them to load the fridge. So the old ones, 52 plus 60 plus 55 plus 59 plus 54 plus 63 plus 56 equals, so that's 399 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 divided by 7 fridges is 57 minutes. So 57 minutes per fridge. Okay, now how many fridges can we get in here? So each fridge, so let's put these, so there's 24 divided by 800 is 3, so they can get 3 fridges that way. Yeah, we're not loading them on top of each other. Now what about this one? That divided by 1000 is 13.6, so we can only get 13 on there. So we're going to get 13 times 3, which is 39 fridges. Yeah, fridges. So at 57 minutes each. Oh no. Oh, hang on. Wait a minute. It lost again there. I'll come back to 39 fridges. So we've got 57 minutes. Let's divide that by 24 fridges. So 57 divided by 24 is 2.375 minutes per fridge. Right, now we worked out that we've got 39 in a new lorry, and if we multiply that by 2.375, it's going to take them 92 minutes. 92 minutes. So will it take, they think it will take less than 90 minutes, so no, it's too long. See that 92 minutes anywhere? Oh, let's come back here. Let's have a look what they got. 92.65. Yeah, no, it's too long, so that's all right. I'm okay with that answer. Let's just double checking so I don't have to do this all over again. Right, what's up now? Louie's making a cake. The cake is the shape of a cylinder with a diameter 14 inches. Okay. Louis needs to put a ribbon around the cake. The ribbon goes around the cake once with a 6-inch overlap. Louis has a piece of ribbon 48 inches. Is this big enough for a cake? So the circumference equals pi d. and the diameter is 14, so pi d is pi times 14. So pi times 14 is 43.98. 43.98 inches. Now there's going to be a 6-inch overlap, so plus 6 inches will make 989, 49.98 inches. So I don't reckon that's right either. 53.98. So no, 48 inches, not enough. The scatter diagram shows some information about 12 athletes. Here is the information for another athlete, age 36, time 29. Plot this on that. 246, and the time is 29 years old, so it's there. Draw the line of best fit, so I'm going to go, oh, these are a bit of an outlier there, so let's come up there. Describe the relationship. I don't know, I'm going to go for strong, positive. Pretty much all apart from that awkward one over there, yeah. George will cover part of the floor with tiles. The part of the floor is in the shape of a triangle. George bought tiles in packs. Each pack covers a metre and costs £40. They can be cut and joined. George gets a third off the cost of the packs of tiles. What's the lowest cost of the tiles for George? So, the area equals half base height, which equals half times. Should we do this in meters? I think so, because each pack, so we need to, yeah, so half, do that in meters, which is 3.715 times 3.05. And that gives us the area of the floor in meters. So 0.5 times 3.715 times 3.05 is 5.66. I'll ignore all those bits, yeah? Meters squared. Each pack covers 1 meter and costs. So he's got to buy 6 packs at $39.95. So 6 times 39.95 is 239.7, is 239.7 pounds. Now you're going to get a third off of that, so 239.7. Now if you're going to get a third off and you want to find out the cost of the other 2/3, so just multiply that by 2/3. That should give us times 2 divided by 3 is 159.80. 159.80. What's the lowest cost for George? This is question 11, so let's have a look. Oh, hang on. All over the place, bear with me. 159.80. Yeah, I'm okay with that. Double check that one. And another huge space. Another. Right. Gabby wants to buy a flat. The cost of the flat is £175,000. The bank uses the formula to work out the mortgage Gabby can get. is the mortgage. 4.625A times the annual income. Gabby has an annual income of 34. She will have to pay a deposit for the flat. The deposit is the difference between the cost of the flat and the mortgage. Okay, what's a deposit? So the mortgage equals 4.625 times A is the annual income of £34,000. So 4.625 times 34,123 is 157,250. Right, that's the mortgage. Now the cost of the flat is 175,000. Take away the mortgage, 157,250, and that will be the deposit. So 175,000, take away what the mortgage was, and we're left with 17750 deposit. Let's have a look at that. Let's make sure that's right. 15770 deposit. So yeah, this is a very difficult paper, this one. Gabby invests £4,000 for 3 years. The investment earns 2% compound interest. Work out the value after the end of 3 years. So 4,000 times 1.02 percentage for 3 years equals, these are all right, these ones, 4,000 times 1.02 to the, oh no, it's not to the square, 4,000 times 1.02 to the 3, it's 3 years, and that equals 4244.83. Okay, done that. That's all right, that one. There you go, that's the end of that question. So that was okay. That was okay. I nearly got caught out on that one with the fridges, I remember. That was tricky to find a way around there. That was easy. Yes, I made a mistake in that, but got away with it in the nick of time. And these two weren't too bad. So, there you go. So let's come back to the main screen. There you go. Right. Pearson Edexcel Functional Skills Level 2 Calculator. Quite a tricky one, that. So if you like this sort of thing, subscribe to the channel, help it grow, make a comment. You want me to do anything else, or you can see the mistake? I don't think there is, but anyway, I'll do anything you like as far as functional skills is concerned. And down below there's some links to other videos that you can have a practice on. It doesn't matter what exam board you're doing, you might as well do the lot. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye.